Welcome to the Hubsan H122D tutorial series. This tutorial will show you how to install and remove the H122D's propellers. Before installing the propellers, please prepare the provided screws and screwdriver. Verify whether the markings on propellers and motors say A or B. Propeller A's must be paired with A motors and B with B when installed. Align the I with the flat side of the D-shaped motor shaft. Make sure the propeller slides all the way down onto the shaft. Please note the differing colors of the A and B propeller screws. Propeller A's use black screws. Propeller B's use silver screws. Use the provided screwdriver. Install propeller A's by tightening counterclockwise. Install propeller B's by tightening clockwise. Make sure the screws are firmly installed but not completely deadlocked. When propellers are damaged and need to be changed, you may remove them by loosening propeller A screws clockwise and propeller B screws counterclockwise. After removal, please organize and store your accessories appropriately. This concludes the H122D video tutorial on installing and removing propellers. Thank you for watching.